Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage team workload in Asana. This is an incredibly useful feature that helps you visualize how much work each team member has on their plate, making it easier to distribute tasks evenly and prevent burnout. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the left sidebar and click on Portfolios. This is where you can get a bird's eye view of all your team's projects grouped together. Once you're there, open the existing portfolio that contains your team's projects. This portfolio essentially acts as a dashboard, pulling together all the work your team is handling across different projects. Now, at the top of the portfolio page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Workload tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll immediately see a visual representation of your team members' workload displayed as bars on a timeline. Each bar shows how much work is assigned to each person over a given period, making it easy to spot who's overloaded and who has capacity to take on more. If you want to dig deeper into someone's workload, simply click on any team member's name in the workload view. This opens up a detailed breakdown of all the tasks assigned to that person, helping you understand exactly what they're working on and where their time is going. Here's where you can start making adjustments. You can actually drag and drop tasks directly on the timeline to reschedule them or reassign them to different team members. This flexibility lets you balance the workload in real time without having to navigate through multiple menus. If you need to fine-tune the timing of a specific task, click on the task itself to open its details, then adjust the start date and due date accordingly. To make your workload management even more precise, use the filters located above the timeline. These filters allow you to narrow down the view by specific team members or projects, which is especially helpful when managing larger teams or multiple initiatives at once. Make it a habit to regularly review the workload view. Workloads shift constantly as new tasks come in and priorities change, so checking in frequently ensures you can adjust assignments and rebalance team capacity before anyone becomes overwhelmed. Finally, don't forget to communicate with your team. After making changes, confirm with your team members to ensure they're aware of any reassignments or deadline shifts. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures smooth workload distribution across the board. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.